Hello everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. It's a Monday. Which is why it's probably a bit quieter than you might have expected to see it. It's Monday when I'm filming this, and I like doing my filming on a Monday because it means that I can give you a really good look at all the things that you want to see without it being absolutely packed with people everywhere you turn. So we're going to go and take a look on Central Pier. As you can see, the wheel's not back yet, despite me being convinced it is returned. So we're going to go and take a look on Central Pier. I just had the feeling that I wanted to go on Central Pier, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm wondering actually whether there's something going off, because I've just seen one of the Coast Guard people go down onto the pier with his gear on, and that guy that's just pulled up in that white car past us is one of the Coast Guards, because I recognised him. So we might get double bubble on this one. We might get two for the price of one. So we're going to go and have a little walk anyway and see what's what, because this morning started off very wet and grey and rainy. In fact, I got soaked, and I've actually got my coat in my bag in my coat. And now the sun's come out. You see there's some gaps in the clouds. The sun's coming out and it's really warm. It's really warm. My coat's come off, it's gone in my bag. So the big wheel is coming back anytime soon. And I believe they've been having some trouble getting parts and bits for it. I'm not sure what exactly. But as I've just said on another video I did today, imagine taking all that to bits and putting it back together again in one piece. Hello.
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 How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you?
Oh yes, I've just come here for the glorious weather.
Oh, can't see anybody. Hello. Have you come for the glorious weather as well?
I work here, love, so we're here, we're rain or shine.
Glorious weather, just say glorious weather. So where are we? It's the middle of May, bang on the middle of May as I'm filming this. Another couple of weeks, when we get to half term, it'll be busy every day. There'll be no sauntering up and down the pier with the place to yourself on a Monday. There'll be no sauntering up and down on your own. So I'm a bit intrigued to know what they're looking at. Dodgems. It's all quiet on the Western Front. Like they're doing something in the toilets. You see there's toilets and cafes and places to sit, amusements for little kids, things for big kids, something for everybody on here. There is. You see, there is no way on this earth you would get me on there. And there's no way you get me on the waltzer either. Absolutely no way. So it sounds like somebody's hurt themselves somewhere down the pier. So I'm not quite sure what they've done. We may find out in a minute. Something really nice. I like these. Central Pier. There you go. Get your mementos. There's something just as nice about coming and looking when it's quiet and there's nobody about as there is when it's busy. I just like Blackpool. Can you remember last year me going on the Helter Skelter with the camera in my hand, and I discovered why they don't like adults on, because we've all got big fat bums and they don't fit. You also get a fabulous view from here as well. Fabulous view of the seafront. Look at that for a view. What a lovely view. Do you know there's hardly a breeze blowing? Look at the water, it's as still as a mill pond. And I went on this as well and said, let me off. Let me off. Hook-a-doke. Hook-a-doke. Now I used to like hook-a-doke. I could cope with hook-a-doke. Just about. Hello boys.
Hello.
Are you well?
Yeah, not so bad, thanks.
You're all looking at me.
You gotta go on here.
You're all looking at me as if I've just
No,
arrived.
you're not a journalist, are you?
No, I'm a vlogger.
Okay.
You see. Free public. Well, it's not free publicity, but free publicity. They just look at you as if to say, "Oh, what's she doing? Oh, what's she doing?" Oh, that must have been a false alarm. Pirates Bay's.
Yeah, I mean, you could go.
Open for business. It's like they're doing the painting and decorating work in advance of the season starting again. Still don't like looking over the edge. And there's an equally good view this way as well. There you go. Pigeon going to roast under the pier. And there's some more equally horrible rides. At the end of South Pier, there's no way you get me on that. Absolutely no way. I'm going for a laugh in most things, but that is just one too many. So this is obviously all fenced off while they're doing the renovations. In fact, they look like they're putting a new roof on it, look. This is Pirates Bay Family Bar, where you get free family entertainment at weekends and during the season. Cans, I guarantee I'd miss them if I tried to knock them down. Blackpool out of season. Still 100% busier than any other seaside resort, especially when it's been raining all morning. So next time we come back on Central Pier, you'll see a big difference. You'll see a big difference because next time it will be busy. Oh, that side's closed off. Oh, that's the other side of the toilets, isn't it? It looks like they've been replacing the boards as well. You see, it's when you look through that crack. Ooh. It's when you look through that crack. It's a very long drop down there. It's a very long drop. I find it best not to look down, actually. If you don't look down, you can't see the water. So I hope you've enjoyed this look round on Central Pier on a quiet day when people are not in holiday holiday season mood and off work and whatnot. But at least you can see what there is and what you need to come and have a go on. No way. Absolutely no way. In fact, I look at all of them and feel decidedly nauseous. So this is where the big wheel will be shortly. No adults on this ride. No, thank you. No, thank you. Right, so I hope you've enjoyed that little look around. This is the time of year when they get all the jobs done and all the cleaning up and the tidying up and the building work. And we will see you soon. So don't forget to make sure that you've subscribed and you'll get uploads and notifications when we put our next video online. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.